Well, hello. Welcome to Tracy Creates Dishes. This chewy, melt-in-your-mouth cookie is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Recipe is in the description box below. Let me know what's your favourite cookie or biscuit recipe in the comments. In a bowl, add half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, give it a whisk. Add half a cup of butter melted, but then slightly cool it, you don't want it too hot. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Whisk together. Now it's time to crack 1 egg into the cookie mixture and whisk to combine. Now place a sieve on top of your bowl and add 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. Give it a sieve, as we don't want any nasty surprises. Lumps of flour are not friends. Stir with a spatula until well combined. We have 3/4 of a cup of M&Ms. Save around 1/4 of the cup for later. Fold in the M&Ms. I use mini M&Ms. You could use Smarties or a generic crispy coated chocolate. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Using 2 spoons, place spoonfuls of cookie mixture onto the baking tray. Place the extra 1/4 cup of M&Ms evenly on the top of the cookies. Cook in your preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes. The delicious chewy melt-in-your-mouth M&M cookies will have a slightly golden edge. Check out my other videos, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any recipes.